ancestors whisper in the wind. The earth is humming our name. The sky turns gold again. Before the footprints crossed the seas, we danced in rhythm with the trees, built mounds that touched the skies, watched eagles soar and spirits rise. The rivers knew our songs by heart. Each sunrise played a sacred part. From canyon walls to oceans wide, the sun revealed what they tried to hide. The sun is talking, telling stories while we're walking, with a copper tone, divine design, original people, the first bloodline. So listen close when the light breaks through. The land still knows what they tried to undo. The sun is talking, our DNA keeps walking. We etch the stars in desert stone, built pyramids with minds alone. No chains, no ships, no shame to wear. We ruled this land with truth and care. Before they carved out false maps and lies, we mapped the heavens with naked eyes. Our dreadlocks locked in sacred codes, our drums still beat in mountain roads. The sun is talking, through the rays our truth is walking. We are not lost, we've just been quiet. Now our voice returns like a holy riot. Tell your babies, tell them strong, they come from kings who did no wrong. The sun is talking, let your soul keep talking. We are not African shadows. We are the light of the West. From Georgia to Colorado, our footprints never left. We are the temples. We are the flames. We are the names they could never claim. The sun is talking, golden tongues forever walking. We are the morning, the earth's first breath. We are the proof we never left. Our roots run deeper than their ink. We are the truth they fear to think. The sun is talking, and we are done with stopping. Sunrise, speak, sun people, rise. The sun is talking.
Some Mesa Verde to the bayous of the south, our tongue spoke thunder, our breath was drought. Sun brown skin, never foreign to the land. We shaped this world with just our hand. Before the scrolls, before their ships, we built in silence, we moved in shifts. The stars were clocks, the moon was law. We taught them math before they ever saw. But we were here first, the mountain knew, the cedar trees, the sky so blue. We didn't come, we didn't roam. This soil still carries our ancient looks. Our temples ain't gone, they just overgrown, covered by lies, but made of stone. Our brains hold cold, our drums still speak. Our children rise, no longer weak. We ain't lost, we just been quiet now. We return like a sacred right. We were here first, the truth runs deep. The answers rise from cosmic sleep. They stole the maps, renamed the land, but we still hold it in our hand. From the Rockies down the Keys, we are the fire, we are the trees. We were here first, and now they see the sun people rise eternally. You feel that? That ain't just the breeze. That's grandma's breath. That's grandfather's knees. That's the language they said was gone, but the land kept singing the same old song. We were here first, never forgot. From Mississippi to Camelot, we laid the bricks, we drew the stars. Our spirit rides in earthly cars. Now rise up, children of flame. The land still whispers your holy name. We were here first, and we still reign. Our blood is sun, our truth remains. They thought we disappeared, but the sun don't vanish, it just rests. Now we return, glowing in truth. We are the light they fear the most. We're not lost tribes, we're cosmic flame, encoded in stars, reborn through name. From Choctaw fields to Olmec stone, we made this land our own. They drew new lines but couldn't erase the solar codes in our copper face. We bend time, we speak in rays. We ain't new, just done with delay. Return of the sun people, gold skin, spirit lethal, eyes like fire, hearts like drums. We the rhythm of where truth comes from. You can't colonize a flame, can't cage the sun, can't change the name. Return of the sun people, our time ain't done, we just getting regal. Pyramids in Georgia, giants in the land, buried beneath lies in a master's hand. But we still breathe, still walk tall. We never left, we watched it all. They copied scrolls, they faked the scene, but couldn't decode the in-between. We rise with stars, we speak in sound. Our ancestors circle every mound. Return of the sun people, high vibration, no fake equal. Walking miracles wrapped in skin. Our DNA sings deep within. We hold the sun, we talk to trees. Our
just don't bleed. They called us gone, but we planted seed. Now the harvest glows and the solar code explodes. We ain't visitors, we the builders, the holders, the true beholders. We